Row score is obtained by simply counting the number of correct responses in a test following the scoring directions. The first unadjusted score obtained in a scoring test. That is the meaning of a row score. Example of row score. For example, a student got 30 out of 50 items in a math test correctly. So the row score is 30. On a test where there are 25 questions, a student answers 20 questions correctly. So the row score of this problem is 20. So, however, a row score could also refer to any number directly obtained by the test administration. Example, row score derived from formula scoring, amount time required to perform a task, the number of errors, or etc. In individually administered tests, row scores could also include points credited for items below the vessel. Reporting row scores or percentage is meaningless in terms of candidates' ability to see whether their performance has improved. Oftentimes, in standardized tests, row scores are converted to standard scores or scale scores for reporting purposes.
So our next discussion will be all about percentage score. So first, let's know what is the meaning of percentage score. It is useful in describing a student's performance based on a criterion. It is the percentage of the total number of points that a student receives on a test. So percentage is part of our everyday lives, from calculating how much to tip to determining your bank account's interest. So in simplest forms, a percentage is a number expressed as a fraction of 100. So to have a clearer meaning of what is percentage score, let's have some examples. So our examples will be based on the example in row scores. So first, a student got 30 out of 50 items in math test correctly. So we all know that 30 is the row score and 50 is the total number of points. So to solve for the percentage score, let's have this formula. Percentage score is equal to row score over total score times 100%. So let's solve for that. So row score is 30 over row score is 30 over 50 times 100%. So that is the percentage score. 30 over 50 is equal to 0.6 times 100%. That is 60%. So this means that the student got 60% in their math test. So here, 30 over 50 times 100 is equal to 60%. So this means that the student got 60% out of 100% in their math test. So I hope that you understand what is percentage score. So let's have some more examples here. On a test where there are 25 questions, a student answers 20 questions correctly. So the row score here is 20 and the total score is 25. So formula, percentage score is equal to row score over total score times 100%. So this it is the same as the first one. The 20, which is the row score over the total score, which is 25, and then multiply it by 100%. So the percentage score is 80%. Therefore, the student got 80% out of 100% in the test. So here are more examples. The student get a perfect score. So the row score here, I know the percentage score here is 100%. And then if 31, that is 96.875%, or if we'll round off, that will become 97%. So in 30, 93.75% or 94%. So if your row score is 27, that is 84.375% or 84%. So if your row score is 22, then your percentage score will be 68.75% or 69%. So let's have some more examples. So in math test, the student got 15 out of 20 items. So what is the percentage score? So 15 divided by 20 is equal to 0.75. Then multiply it by 100%, that is 75%. So that means that the student got 75% out of 100%. So another example, in in a 100 item test, the student got 50. So 50 is the row score and 100 is the total number of points. So multiply by 100%. 50 divided by 100, that is 0.5. Multiply by 100%, that is 50%. So that is how we calculate for the percentage score. That's how easy it is. So I hope that you understand what is the percentage score and how to get the percentage score. So the problem with row and percentage scores is that they do not provide adequate information about student performance. They do not take into consideration the average score or mean of those who took the test and how dispersed the scores are, or the standard deviation. This is the reason why row scores are oftentimes converted to another score type. So that is all for today's video. I hope that you learned something from my discussion. Thank you.